Hi, this is Ronnie again. This is strategy number 2. So when finding these strategies, for me personally, I think that if you start going crazy with trying to find all these wacky, unique ways to take notes, for me personally, it gets a little bit complicated and confusing, and I just want a sort of basic way to take notes. And I think that you can still make a basic way of taking notes unique. So I have found a 3-column system. And basically what that is a handout that you give your students, and there's 3 columns. The first column is something that they are to complete before going into class, before the lesson actually starts. They're writing down key concepts that they're going to talk about. They're writing down like what they think they're going to learn in a 1-sentence summary, what they are expecting to get out of the lesson, that sort of thing, prior knowledge. The middle column is the notes that they take during class. So it's sort of elaborating on the key concepts that they were told they're going to be talking about. It's going into greater detail about all of that. And then the last column is their reading notes column. And this is to be done after class, after the lesson is over. So for me personally, I would have my students discussing with each other sort of what they wrote down, what they got from the lesson. Maybe they missed a concept and their friend has it, sort of adding on to their notes. Elaborating more in detail something that they missed, something that they thought was important and they need to remember. We would do that as a class discussion. I would let them use partners, just any way to sort of go over reviewing the lesson, reviewing the material, and making sure that they have everything that they need. I really like this because after each section, they're supposed to write sort of like a summary. And so during class, they write, during their notes, their class notes, the middle section, they write a 1-paragraph summary about what they've learned, obviously. And then after class, the 3rd column, when they're adding more information in, they're sort of adding on to what they have, elaborating on what they have. They create a 2-paragraph summary, so it's not supposed to be the same as the middle paragraph, but it's just another way for them to review everything and to put into words and sort of bring it all together for a better understanding and comprehension. So, like I said, this may be basic to some people, but I think that if you're keeping it organized and like after class they're discussing with their friends what they missed and stuff like that, I think that it is super useful for them to be able to see what all happened, what all they learned, what they got down, and I think it'll be super beneficial. Thank you.